At Carpenter Technology, we know the world moves forward only when a committed group dedicates themselves to progress. So we join forces with leading companies like yours to solve your most critical challenges. And with each new breakthrough, we help create the future together. We bring over a century of materials and metallurgical processing expertise to every challenge we take on. And industry leaders count on us to achieve results. Because we are fully committed to developing the critical components that improve people's lives, you can rely on us to drive performance in the future. Across industries, we bring unique and specialized capabilities so that our customers can deliver uncompromising reliability to get travelers home safely. Operate with confidence to give loved ones their lives back. Go to the greatest depths to fuel our forward progress. Improve performance to help friends stay connected. And bring us into the future faster than ever. We help expand the boundaries of innovation. We serve industry leaders who rely on our unique product and process capabilities to deliver unmatched performance in a rapidly changing world. As leaders in additive manufacturing and soft magnetics, we drive change and continue to make significant investments in the technologies that are disrupting today and transforming tomorrow. Helping our customers move beyond possibility to reality. Together, we continue to push performance to new frontiers for our partners and for the world to break through to tomorrow. Carpenter Technology. Today's performance, tomorrow's breakthroughs.